Keep swinging your legs.
Dude. Land in the tree.
Come down a little more. You want me to swing you?
No, I got it.
All right.
Land in the tree.
I'll pull you away from the wall. Ready?
Sure.
Okay, next time.
This is Kyler's death scene. Take 2.
Oh!
You can't touch the rock.
There we go.
I recorded a minute of you just swinging in air, Kyler.
Are you coming down?
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
There it is.
Beautiful.
Way to go, Kipley. Ah! Okay.
Nice.
Land in the
Woo-hoo-hoo.
quick.
I like it when you push out really far because you can see the next ledge.
Even if you do hit it. Tree.
There we go.
You knock it down, you'll be
Hold
off.
up.
There you go. Excellent.
I keep spinning a whole circle instead of a half a circle.